Okay, hello guys, welcome again to this video tutorial about game development. In this video I'm going to show you how you can define the enemy units. I created single enemy unit and or actually a single type of enemy unit, and I'm going to show you now. So basically right now these are about 30 characters, and their motion is totally random. Okay, this is our character. It's a little bit improved, Mr. Jeff Bacalar, and the enemies here are running left and right. Okay, so let's have a look and see how those enemies are moving on such platform. Okay, so first I'm gonna press escape to exit this, and next I'll go to the code here. Okay, where should I start? Well, first thing to check is that I created this class which is called stupid enemy, because this kind of enemy unit is stupid. It doesn't check where you are, it doesn't know what you are doing, and basically it moves randomly. So basically this is also inherited from basic creature, so that it get affected by the world physics. Here I defined a random number. This is important because all the actions performed by this kind of enemy is random. The side counter will calculate how long should this enemy run at a specific direction, and here if it is 0 it means go at one direction, if it is 1 go the other. So the new method is exactly the same for our hero class. I updated the basic class with two properties, which is gravity and max gravity, so that you can see you can manipulate the effect on our characters. Anyway, so this is the part where you want to get all the shapes, or load all the shapes. So here I am loading the left side left side images of these PNG files and right side images. If you want to see them, these are the images, as you can see here, and basically by viewing these stages one after the other, you get the illusion that this character is moving and performing the running action. Okay, it's as simple as that. Okay, so let's go back to our program. So this is how we define the character or the enemy, and now updating the location. For our hero, we read the information from the keyboard and updated the acceleration. Basically here it is not. We are gonna use our character or our enemy should have the decision of its own. In this case, since this one's a dummy enemy or stupid enemy, I'm gonna generate this randomly. So if the character is standing, generate a random number between 0 and 1000. If this random number is greater than 990, then change the acceleration, which means perform a jump. And the reason I made this large value, so that the probability of jumping will be low as 0.1%. Okay, if you decrease this number over here, the enemy units will start jumping a lot. Okay, here the side counter will get decreased until it's negative or equal to 0. Basically the first time it's going to be negative, later on it will only equal to 0. So if the period of running at a specific direction is finished, then give it a new period, and now this statement will get you a result between 0 and 1, which means change the direction of your character. The enemy unit will either continue running at that specific direction or the reverse. Okay, and also I'm gonna check if the side is 0, then acceleration is +2. If the side is 1, acceleration is -2. The reason we're doing this is because this will serve as the replacement for the keyboard input. Okay. And finally, if our character is standing, it's not standing, then change the render stage so that it looks like it's jumping. Otherwise, update the rendering stage like this. Okay, and finally call the basic class. This is pretty much the code required. If we go to the general operations, okay, what did I do here? I created the E-list, which is the enemy list, and then I created this loop. Now I'm gonna reduce the number of enemies to 10. Okay, and inside the code is very straightforward. Here we are updating the location of your character, and later on for each enemy in the list you are updating its location, and you render your character and then you render each enemy unit on the screen, and that's it. There is nothing more to the code. It's as simple as that. So right now I've just changed the number of enemies to about 11. Maybe I need to use 1 here so that the total will be 10. I'm gonna build the solution, and yeah, gonna double click this one. It will take some time to load the images because it's going to load these images 10 times, so it's like loading about 66 images, because 6 images for your main character and 10 for the enemy, sorry, 6 images per character. You have 10 enemy units with your character, which is 11, so 66. So this is pretty much the code. If you want to help with the graphics by sending your character, that is your design, please do. If you have suggestions or questions, let me know about them. I hope you will enjoy this video. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.